welcome back to Diamond Art Joy. This is Donna, and this is TEMU haul number 8. Yay! And I'm calling this one Big Horses and Birds. Kinda. So we'll just get right in. I only have a few canvases here, but they are the larger ones. So, you know what? They came with the boat. Some of them had actually 2 pens and some bags with it too. So it was a mixture. Firstly, let's look at one of the big horses, as in seahorse. He is a 40 by 70 with 24 colors, and he's in front of stained glass. Let's see, I know there's a little glare, but I thought he was really pretty. He's got some kind of underwater plant thingy growing here, and it looks like it's kind of having him outlined a little bit with it too. It's like he's reined in. That's his rein up here. It's kind of cool. With the stained glass behind. Yeah, so this big guy, 40 by 70, 24 colors, all letters. Field looks good. Alright, y'all, I got a lot of paint to do, don't I? Woo! Alright, let's look at the drills. Look good. I don't see a number on that, y'all. It's number 2. Oh yeah, that's 310, but they just didn't put it on the bag. We got some turquoise, some purples, and greens. Yeah, that's good. He was $9.44 for this big guy. All right, I'm gonna put him over here. All right, look at this canvas. I got another one of these. I saw Diamond Grandma's video last night about how to iron a canvas, and I sure appreciate that, Diamond Grandma. I've got several now I need to do. This one was also folded back kind of like this in the package. So this one's a big bird, big hummingbird. I probably got 4 or 5 now, I think. But oh wow, look at the flowers and the bird. The stained glass. Another 40 by 70, 24 colors, all letters. And this field is so bright, I'm not going to have a problem at all. I think even the letters look big to me. This is awesome. Can you see the top of them there? It's like he's going over some big flowers here. And we've got the stained glass, which is nice. We've got some leaves from the plants over here. So a lot of blues, some pinks, purples. Yeah, here are the drills. They're looking pretty good. Oh no, that's not it. These are it. Sorry, y'all. Yeah. They look pretty good. So it's a round. And he was $9.44 as well. Next, I have another horse. This one's my favorite. Seahorse. A 40 by 70, 24 colors, numbers and letters. And y'all look at the pretty pastel colors in this guy. I think he would be my first one that I would do of the seahorses. Yeah, I like this part up here. It's a different type of stained glass look. It's not solid. Very pretty colors. Drills. The huge. There's some nice goldish yellow in there and some greens. It does look very marine-y like, doesn't it? And watery. Very pretty. And some plants down here too. He was $9.44 as well. And lastly, it's not a big one, but you know, I just lumped this one in. This is some cardinals in front of the stained glass. I guess I could have called this one the stained glass, although I had other ones stained glass too. That would have been a huge video. All the ones with the stained glass background. This guy's just a 30 by 40, 18 colors. The field looks great. Pretty red. Cardinals, you know, cardinal is the state bird of Virginia. And I've got a bunch in my backyard. They're so pretty. Bright red. You know, the males are the bright red. And then the females are, they don't have as bright of a red color. It's kind of faded-y. Here are the drills. Oh yeah, I got some purple going in on the stained glass here. And guess what? I don't have the price of this guy. I couldn't find it. It's just crazy. You know how sometimes you print off your email and then sometimes it doesn't print, and then you get your email and it doesn't have prices, and it doesn't even have, sometimes they don't have the pictures too. But hey, he was on the good side. It was probably like in the $3 or $4 range, just like all the rest of them. But again, I thank you guys for stopping by and watching this haul. And guess what? I got one more to go. Just one more, and it's going to be a surprise. It's going to be totally different. Maybe a little unexpected. I'm not sure. Something different I want to try. So anyway, thanks again. Hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time, guys. Bye-bye.